Assalamu alaikum dear students, and welcome back to part 2 of our lecture on consumer behavior. We explained the meaning of consumer behavior and discussed different theories explaining how the consumer make decisions. In this part, we will be discussing the contingency factors that influence consumer behavior. Consumer behavior does not occur in isolation. There are different situational, psychological, social, cultural and personal factors that continuously influence the consumer decisions. These factors are known as contingency factors because they vary according to the circumstances, according to the environments and individual differences. Understanding these factors is extremely important for the marketers because they help us explain why the consumers may behave differently in different situations. So, contingency factors are basically the variables or conditions that influence the consumer decision making processes and their purchase behavior. These factors can change depending upon time, environment, personal characteristics, social surroundings and market conditions. For example, a consumer may purchase expensive products during festivals or special occasions, but choose budget friendly products during financial difficulties. Similarly, a consumer may behave differently when shopping alone compared to shopping with the friends. So, the contingency factors help the marketers to understand the consumer behavior is a dynamic and situation dependent thing. There are different type of contingency factors that affect consumer behavior. The major contingency factor include psychological factors, then personal factors, social factors, cultural factors, situational factors, technological factors, economic factors. Let us discuss these factors one by one in detail. First of all come the psychological factors. Psychological factors originate when the consumers strongly influence the consumer decision making processes, and the motivation refers to the internal drive that encourage the customers to act in a certain way. Consumer purchase products to satisfy different needs such as their comfort, status, security and environment. For example, a consumer may purchase branded clothing to satisfy the esteem needs. Then comes the perception. Perception is how the consumer interpret information from advertisement, packaging and product experiences. Two consumers may perceive the same product differently based on the previous experience and belief. Then comes the learning. The consumers learn from experiences. Positive experiences increase loyalty, while the negative experiences discourage future purchases. Attitudes. Attitudes are the consumer evaluation toward the product or brands. Positive attitudes often result in favorable purchasing behavior. Then come the personal factors. Personal characteristics significantly influence the consumer behavior. Age and life cycle. Consumer preferences also varies according to age. Children prefer toys and snacks, and the teenagers prefer fashion brands and gadgets, like while the older consumer focus more on healthcare and comfort. Then occupation also influences the purchasing patterns. Business executives may purchase formal clothing and luxury items, while the students focus more on affordable products, and the income level is another factor that is moderating the situation. Income factor affect the purchasing power. High income consumers may purchase premium brands, while the low income consumer may prefer the economical options. Lifestyle reflects how the consumers spend time and money. Health conscious consumers purchase organic foods and fitness products. So, personality also matters. Different personalities influence buying behavior differently. Extroverted consumer may prefer trendy and expensive products. So, there are other social factors that contribute to the decision making process of a consumer. For example, family is one of the most strongest influences on consumer behavior. Parents influence children's purchasing decision, while the spouse influence household buying decision. Then comes the reference group. Reference group include friends, colleagues and celebrities. and online influencers whose opinions affect the consumer decisions. For example, social media influencers strongly impact fashion and cosmetic products. So, these are some factors that affect the consumer behavior. A manager may purchase premium products to maintain the professional image. And if we talk about the culture shapes values, beliefs, customs and lifestyle. Different cultures have different consumption patterns, food preferences, buying habits that vary culture to culture, and subculture also contributes in decision making process. Subculture includes religion, group, ethnic group and their different beliefs. For example, the consumer may purchase specific products during religious factors, and the social class also influence the product preferences and shopping patterns and the brand choices. Luxury brands often target the upper social class, while the mass market brands target the middle income consumers. Then comes the situational factors, which refer to temporary conditions that affect the consumer decision making process. Store atmosphere, lighting and cleanliness are the physical factors that influence the decision making process. Consumers are more likely to spend time and money on the environments that is attractive and clean. Then comes the time pressure. Consumer behave differently under the time constraints. They make more quicker decision and less rational decision on different occasions. Purchasing behavior changes according to the occasions such as weddings, Eid, birthdays and seasonal sales. So, mood and emotions also play their role. If the consumer is in positive mood, he will go towards the impulsive buying. Then comes the technological factor. Technological factor has transformed the consumer behavior significantly. Online shopping consumers now compare the products, they read the reviews, make the purchases online. Social media platforms influence the brand awareness and purchase intentions. And artificial intelligence and personalization is also changing the decision making pattern. Due to AI recommendations, consumers are more tend to follow the trend. So, the mobile commerce is also another factor that is increasingly popular toward online shopping. Then comes some economic factors. Economic conditions strongly affect the consumer decision making process. Like if we consider the inflation, during inflation the consumers may reduce spending on, you can say, non-essential products, and income and environment, they will be more focused toward their economic capacity rather than impulsive buying. So, the economic factors also play their role while making the decisions. Then comes some contingency factors, the relationship between theories and contingency factors. The theories and contingency factors are interconnected, and the consumer behavior theories explain the underlying reason behind purchasing decisions, while the contingency factors help us explain the circumstances that influence those decisions. For example, we discussed the psychological theory. It relates to motivation, attitude and perception. Then we also discuss sociological theory that connects us with family, relevance, group and social class. We discussed economic theory that relates to income, price sensitivity and economic condition. We together these theories and contingency factors provide a comprehensive understanding of consumer behavior. Understanding the contingency factors provide several benefits to the marketers. They can do better market segmentation. Organizations can divide the consumer according to their age, their income, their lifestyle and their preferences. And the companies can design products that match the consumer needs and preferences. So, the marketers can create the advertisements according to consumer motivation and emotions. So, understanding the consumer expectation help the organization to improve the consumer experiences, and in this way the companies can sustain and gain the competitive edge, and they can earn better and they can make their goodwill better in the market. So, these contingency factors when combined and when related to the theories of consumer behavior will benefit both marketers and consumers to make better decisions and help the companies grow. Thank you very much.